All you have to do is say, yes, and the system is yours. For just $97 free for a limited time. I have no words to describe how much I appreciate James. Actually, he is one of my personal heroes. If you have an opportunity to work with and learn from James, don't think twice, just do it. Eric Salgado, CEO Buildrel. James is a guy you want to get to know and align yourself with right now. He is making all the right moves and developing so quickly, he is going to be a force to be reckoned with online. Omar Martin, CEO HLS. If you get a chance to work with James, jump on it. He's a really smart marketer. Take his recommendations and his advice and follow the guy to the ends of the earth. Dave Sharp, CEO Legendary Marketer. From James Neville Taylor, HQ, United Kingdom. Dear future RPM superstar. If you're reading this, then you likely know there's plenty of money to be made online. Of course you have to go through a lot of trial and error to find something that actually works. My guess is, if you're here, this isn't your first rodeo. Most get rich quick online programs promise to take you by the hand to generate income online, and they cost literally thousands of dollars to just get your foot in the door. The difference here is I give you the tools, training, and know how to get results for free. Who is James Neville Taylor? James is a multiple award-winning affiliate, multiple seven-figure marketer and international speaker. His programs have created multiple six-figure success stories, and he is driven to help people to tailor their best life. He holds himself to a very high standard and gives tremendous value in all of his programs, paid and free. Because with the RPM system you'll never have to worry about wasting your valued time or money again. The only thing to expect with this brand new system is to be showered with immense value that you can take home to the bank. I personally wish that I had something like this myself when I first started back in 2017. All I had was people promising me the world if I just bought one more of their products that claimed would make me a super affiliate and millionaire overnight. There is no catch. Let's be honest, there is loads out there that offer you something amazing for an incredibly low price but then stick you into some program that charges your card money every month. Don't worry. This isn't one of them. There's no hidden fees continuity program, and in case you're wondering why I'm doing this, well, there are actually a few reasons. Start making sales from my funnel and system, and when you see how awesome it is, it should get you excited to buy other stuff from me in the future. Why time is of the essence. Here's why. I don't know how long I can keep giving this away for my proven to work RPM funnel and system that is easier than anything else out there today. If this page is still here, then the offer is live. But I reserve the right to pull it down at any time. What to do next? From here it's just finalizing the details and getting you inside the RPM system. Click on the green button below right now, and we can finally get started. Thanks for taking the time to read this letter, and I can't wait to see you succeeding with the system in no time. To your continued success, James Neville Taylor. Disclaimer: these are the results of action takers. I cannot guarantee you will have similar results or any results. Listen, I'd hate it if I became just another new shiny get-rich-quick program that never gets seen or even used. No way. What you'll be receiving today, plus what you'll be receiving in $4.715 worth of amazing free bonuses, is exactly what you need right now to get extraordinary results. So, I want to make it crystal clear about who this is really for. This is for you if you're sick and tired of constantly buying into new programs and product that promise the world but deliver on nothing. You want a thriving online business that runs like clockwork even whilst you're asleep. This is for you because you are done going from new tactic to new tactic and want to cut through all the BS and get something that actually works and does what it says on the box. That's it, plain and simple. This is not for you if you think this is just another get rich quick. You know the kind where they promise you this new push button system or software that will make you a millionaire within the first week and a billionaire in the first month. This might just be the last thing you need online to become successful, because everything you need is right here waiting for you inside the RPM system. Do this for you, your future, and your business future. Hit the green button below right now and sign up today before the initial free trial launch ends.